Shamitabh, shh, it's on shaky ground. Director R. Balki makes a feisty beginning with a crackling new premise of a mute star aspirant attaining superstardom. Danish was born dumb but lives on a diet of films and dreams of stardom. When assistant director Akshara spots the fire in Danish and a doctor introduces her to a new live voice technology in Helsinki, all they need is a voice. Enter the baritone, Amitabh Singh, the alcoholic resident of a graveyard who has long buried his own dreams of becoming an actor. The mix of Danish and Amitabh becomes Shamitabh, the newest super craze of the film industry. Nobody is the wiser about the dual talents at work here. But as Akshara at one point says, there's talent, technology and tantrums at play. Who's the real star between them? I'm the whiskey, he's the water, announces the voice. Water needs whiskey, not the other way around. The audio and the video clash, with each convinced that he's the main player. When Danish revels in superstardom, Amitabh reminds him, Shamitabh main bhi hoon. It takes failure and tragedy to ultimately realize that one is finished without the other. It's an interesting foundation and there's sparkling freshness in the banter between the voice and the actor. A Mughal Azam dialogue, Amitabh asking for subtitles when he can't understand Danish, actress Rekha awed at the baritone's voice at an awards function are all amusing. The problem arises when the director vanishes and a fan sits in Balki's chair. Amitabh's drunken scene at a graveyard is vintage Bachchan, but Balki overdoses on his fan worship of the actor by repeating the drunken act too many times, once before Robert De Niro's poster too. The voice having to be on duty when Danish gets a romp with his leading lady is fun. But again, Balki packs in too much. Bachchan gets to sing a piddly song too, with a comment on how ludicrous a hit song can be. Dhanush gets his solo bits by dancing to a Sannata number. En route, Balki helps himself to some real-life facts. Amitabh Bachchan was once turned on by All India Radio, which Balki weaves into a dialogue. He also doffs his hat to Rajnikant by showing son-in-law Dhanush as an aspiring actor who's a bus conductor. Amitabh Bachchan is twitch perfect and Dhanush has a charm of his own. Newcomer Akshara is pleasant but raw in high emotions. Ilaiyaraaja's music has a distinct South Indian sound. From Lifebuoy soap to Knorr soups and Seven Hills Hospital, the Adman director is in your face. But what ultimately fells the film is its length of 153 minutes and its niche urban appeal. Balki gives his rather implausible story a Maupassant twist that's tragic and poignant, which is commercially unexciting. There are dialogues about manipulative mush and kiss my ass, which only a slim section will understand or appreciate. For a new thought that's unfortunately lengthy and has limited appeal, Shamitabh gets a 3-star rating.